Thank you and welcome. Today I just want to show you another feature, very interesting feature, which was added by derived.com and makes it easier for the traders to make profit whilst seated at the comfort of their homes. What you're supposed to do first is to add from $1 or 50 cents, depending on the size of the multiplier. The feature is called the multiplier. After you have positive balance like myself, I have $44. Click the three lines at the top left corner and check if you are on the D trader, because we have D trader, D bot and DMT5, and I'm on the D trader. Thereafter, you are supposed to decide either you want to use your multipliers on the stock indices, forex, commodities, or these volatility indices. You are supposed to click where you are seeing volatility 100 index, so that you can choose between V50, V75 1S, V75, V100 1S, or you can choose the commodities or forex. I like V100. After that, you are supposed to choose the duration, and you can quickly move to the bottom of the page where it is written 1 tick, and you can click there, the position 1 tick. For you to adjust the duration, you are supposed to click duration 1 tick, and the red line must be under duration 1 tick. If you want to increase the duration, you can click the plus sign. If you want to reduce the duration, you can click the minus sign, and then you can click OK. For you to adjust the amount, you are supposed to click the amount 0.50, and the red line must be below the 0.50. And I want to use times 100 as my multiplier, and the minimum for that is $1. So I'm supposed to click the positive if I want to increase the figure, the negative if I want to reduce. I want to click the positive, and I can stake $1.50. As for the payout, you can just click payout, and then I can click OK. Payout is just optional. So when you are done doing this, look at the top of 1 tick and the $50. There is an arrow at the left pointing upwards, and the one at the right pointing downwards, where it is written rise or fall, and you are supposed to click rise or fall like this. And you can quickly roll the page and move to the bottom of the page where it is written multipliers, and click multipliers. When you click multipliers, you can see there's new feature now, and you are not able to see 1 tick. There's only $50 for staking, and there is appearance of multipliers instead of up and down. And then we have times 100 commission 0.03. And then if you want to change the multiplier to another figure lower than times 100, you can simply click times 100, and then you can see we have times 10, times 20, times 30, times 50, times 100. You can choose times 20, or you can choose times 50, or you can choose times 100, and I want times 100. And then lastly, what you're supposed to do is to analyze the movement of the line graph. Now it is going up, and I placed my order. It is now going up. Your account balance is insufficient, meaning to say I placed this $1.50, which is above 1.44. But if it was $0.50 or $0.50, my prediction was good. It moved upwards, and then I can move on to adjust my figure. Let me make an adjustment. Let me lower the figure. Let me lower the figure. Let me lower the figure. Yes. You can click the delete sign, and then I can lower it to $1. Yes. Now I have a stocking of $1, and I can wait for it to move downwards because this one shows an upward trend. So if it moves downwards, it gives me the room to make more profit. Don't rush whenever you are trading. Don't just get onto, I can place an upward trend now. Don't just open your phone and then place a trade. Give yourself time to analyze. As you can see now, chances of you making losses are very limited here. You can see. Let me reduce this page so that I can show you where you can place the top take profit or stop loss. There is the room for you to place the take profit or stop loss under account management. The position is not clear as of now. Yes, you can see where it is written take profit or stop loss. This is where you are supposed to adjust your take profit or stop loss. But for first time users, this place or this position, you can see it written account management, and then you can click it. So I want to take profit when my profits reach $1. I can place $1 here, and my stop loss is 0.5 or 0.6. I can adjust here and then click apply, meaning to say everything is now automatic. I can leave this trade to run for the whole night. And if it reaches $1, it can collect my profit automatically. If it reaches 50 cents negative, it can close my trade automatically. Now let me go and adjust my stop loss to $1 again, my staking of $1. This means that when you have more than $1, it can only allow $1 to be taken when your prediction is wrong, and when your prediction reaches minus $1, so only $1 can be deducted and the trade can close automatically. Let me go. My trade is the one shown in the back, in the envelope at the top left corner. Let me open it. You can see now I am on the negative 11, and you can see the arrow at the right. It is facing downwards, meaning to say the loss is going too far, and when it shows green, it's good result, meaning to say the loss is recovering. So this is what you are supposed to do. You can also close your trade prematurely through manual means by just clicking the close below the total profit or loss. You can just click close. But as of now, I'm not going to close my trade. I will leave it to run until it reaches the take profit of $2 and stop loss of 0.5.